The reality is that in the absence of a formal structured media reporting the truth, which is what is not happening, the magnitude of the disaster is not being borne out by the way the traditional and established media houses have been portraying this disaster. And so the truth is that Jamaicans are not tarnishing the country's image. What they're doing is exposing the government's inadequacies and they are demanding competence. They are refusing to be silenced and they are doing so because their lives, their communities, and their futures depend on it. Now, this moment, in my opinion, demands greater clarity, it demands accountability, and above all, it demands courage. Not the kind that comes with, with the bluster and podium pounding, but with quiet, resolute courage. That as my Facebook post this morning, I referred to the adage that courage doesn't always roar. It don't make a whole heap of noise. Sometimes it just walk quietly, quietly forward, one measured step at a time, while the world tries to stop it and fail.